Actually, I've been having this in my room for a long time, but my team and I wanted to shoot this video for you guys and do a sort of a reveal. Here it goes. Oh, and there's a cover. I thought it was going to be all shiny already. Ah, cool. I have a note. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan. I cannot pronounce your name, but thank you, Susan, CEO of YouTube, for this nice letter here. Put that down. Oh my God. And I got a nice note from Rick. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want to experience the exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. And here it is. Presented to Gabriela Corvina for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is my YouTube award. It's kind of weird holding this. Kind of weird. Kind of started this journey not really knowing. I'm low-key getting emotional right now. Oh. Don't do it. Nope. Gotta stop looking at it.
Look at him.
This is weird. I did not think I was gonna get emotional. Wow, I'm such a baby. Okay, but like legit did not. I'm so surprised with myself right now. Wow. Did not think that I was gonna get this far, so it's pretty cool in this fast. And damn, I messed up my makeup. Shit. Okay, but seriously though, started this journey not really knowing what was gonna come out of it. You know, of course you have goals and aspirations, but you're kind of just going with a thought, an idea, a dream, and kind of just seeing how it goes, you know? So, and I never thought that I'd be doing YouTube. I really didn't. You know, I started out just wanting to be an actress and not being happy with where my career was going and feeling the sense of not having control over where my life was going or who had say over what roles I wanted to do, what roles I wanted to take part in, and just not doing the things that I got into acting for originally. And I got really sad, I got really unhappy and unfulfilled in my career choices as an actress. And still living in Dallas, you know, I didn't really know what to do. I wasn't gonna move out to LA right away, you know, with really nothing under my belt, nothing good coming my way. And I said, you know what, I gotta do something about this. I have to take control. I have to take my power back, you know, as an actress and as a creator and as a creative individual. I have to do what, you know, I got into this industry for in the first place, and that's to play empowering roles and you know, kick ass on screen. And for somebody who looks like me, that's just not really an option. Somebody who's starting out like me with no connections, it's just not really an option. So I wanted to create that for myself, and YouTube has given me that platform. And I remember the conversation I actually had with my dad, a lot of you guys know, is my teacher, is my coach, and he told me after this, when I was 18, this conversation I had with him, I said, you know, I'm just really sad, I'm just really depressed, and I don't really know if I'm going in the right direction anymore. And he, plain and simple, just said, you need to get your black belt. You need to start training really hard again and focus more on your martial arts. And that one conversation kind of sparked something in me that kind of reminded me who, you know, I grew up as and who I want to be and what I represent and what I believe in. And that's being a strong female in this industry, and just knowing myself as a martial artist. That's what I've always wanted, you know, to combine the two. And that conversation sparked wanting to create my own films and getting connected with a lot of amazing people, like my best friend Jay, who's behind the camera right now, and my other best friend Alexis, and my two friends, Jay's brothers actually, Haze and Michael, and even like my brothers and my dad, and just everybody who's kind of like just helped me for reasons I don't know why still, but it's nice to have friends who support you in the way that I get support, and family that supports me in the way that I get support, and you guys, my ninjas, who support me in a way that is pretty incredible as well. And I wouldn't be here without you guys. I wouldn't be here at this point. You know, even though it's a start, it's big. You know, you got to appreciate the little wins along the way. Yeah, and just thankful for my mom, who's always supported me on my acting journey. Yeah, fam and friends and you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Your continued support really, really helps. And thank you for believing in what we're creating and what we represent. And this is my whole team. It's not just me. This is a win. I know it has my name on here, but it really should be team. It should be Gabby's team on this plaque, because, you know, I couldn't do it without them, and I can't do it without you guys either. So thank you for the support. This means a lot.